Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm sharing some essential oil accessories, some that are going to be good for back to school and just some miscellaneous ones. So if you want to see what we've been liking, then just keep watching. Both things are car diffusers. I have two. They're both from Revive actually. I just like they're just like sleek. So they look nicer in my car, but that's just a personal preference. This one fits in the cup holder. The con with it is that you always have to have water on hand and a bottle of oil to refill it. Where this one you have to have oil like to refill the little wick, but you don't have to have water and it takes up less space. This just fits in your vent. And this has a cord, you have to plug it in. So it's a personal preference thing, but I think they both look really nice in the car. This one is just, I use it more because it's easier to use. So you just pull this part out and then you put oil on that little wick, and it comes with a couple more, but I just use the same oil. I use Joy from Eden's Garden right now, and then you just put a couple drops on that and slide that back in and clip it into your vent, and then when your air is on you can smell it, and it does put off a lot of like scent. So I recommend this one more just because it's easier, but they both are really nice looking and really good quality if you're looking for whatever type you're looking for. Next are these little, I don't know, a keychain type of little oil bottle roller holders. It's a mouthful. So basically you put a roller in here. It slides in nice and snug, so it's not gonna like come out, and then you clip it onto backpack, purse, keychain, and you have your roller. So I'm going to put two of these for the girls each in their backpacks, and I'm gonna do like a actually I have it, I just did the video on I'm going to do one with this. It's a germ fighter, germ destroyer essential oil blend, and then this one calming the child essential oil blend. So just two different rollers for depending on what they need. They really like being like empowered to use their own rollers and essential oils when they need them, and I think that's really cool. So I'll have a couple of those on their backpacks. They have a bunch of different colors. I think yellow, green, and orange maybe. I'll link them below, but they're really cheap. A good back to school. Next is a little diffuser like this. This is also from Plant Therapy. You can put this in your car, in a bathroom, wherever you want, but you can, it's all like porous, and you're able to put oils on like the wood part or on here, wherever you want. It's just a nice little diffuser. Also really easy to use, like you don't need to fill up a diffuser with water or whatever. And then next is this beauty. This right here is the original, can't point to it, but they just came out with this new marble version of my favorite diffuser. So the bottom is salt rocks. So the light turns on. I don't have the cord, so I can't plug it in, but the light turns on and warms these. And then this part is the diffuser. So I'll kind of take it apart and show you. Has two different lids. So this connects, there are little like sensors or whatever. It has to line up and connect that way. And then you fill that with oil and water, then a little cap, then the big lid or case, whatever, cover goes on top. And it is very beautiful. I love the marble design. I keep this one in my kitchen, but this has been my favorite diffuser for a really long time, and it's like my top seller on my Amazon storefront. Everyone loves this diffuser. And the last essential oil accessory is the Fume. This is just a hollow wooden Canadian maple wood inhaler, and then they have cores that you put in the middle to inhale different oils. You can they have blank ones too if you want to use your own oils, but I mainly use this for allergies, waking me up and getting me ready to work out, open your airways with like eucalyptus, peppermint, and then calming with like cozy lavender, or this one's cozy chai. Just kind of warms you, it makes you feel all warm and fuzzy, but tons of different reasons to use the Fume, but it's very simple and very convenient to take with you too. I like the reassurance cores, which is like a calming one for like travel. So on the plane, you can literally use this anywhere. It's not smoke or vape, so it's just your little inhaler that you can take wherever you want. Okay, I think that's it. Let me know if you like this video, and I could do maybe one a month on just the little things that we're using to help with our oily routines. Let me know if you have any questions on anything I talked about. All the links will be down below, along with a blog post to go with this video as always. Hope you have a great day. Bye.